Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are going to be going over my favorite Harley Quinn look, and that is her look from Suicide Squad 2. It's specifically like the beginning where she has like this really cool like RPG. I didn't do any kind of white body painting. To be honest, I'm really an amateur with body paint and I wouldn't even know where to start. That's why I didn't do a super pale look. I think I will be doing this look for Halloween this year. I'm not sure, we'll see. All right, bye, enjoy. All right, so I already did my foundation and my concealer. I'm gonna take the Cover FX. This is the Perfect Setting Powder. And it is in Translucent Light. And I'm just gonna set my whole face. I do not mind the rain sometimes. So Harley has some pretty dark eyebrows. I'm gonna take Glossier. This is in just the normal brown. It's called Boy Brow. And I'm gonna do that, set that first. And then I'm gonna shape them a little bit more. But this just helps it set. It gives it a slight tint as well. But since Harley's brows are a bit darker than mine, I'm also gonna add some depth. Once it's in a relatively good shape, just let it dry. I'm gonna take an angled brush and actually I'm gonna go just all out dark with this. I'm gonna take a black matte eyeshadow and kind of begin to shape it a little bit. 'Cause that's the only way the roses bloom. I don't want to go like too dark though. In my mind, when I cry, that's the only way the roses bloom. It's okay, I'm not okay. There we go, we have a nice darkened brow. To clean up the shape, we're gonna go in with a concealer and just gently go over all of my straggly hairs, because I don't necessarily want to get rid of them, because my natural everyday makeup, I have like a more messy eyebrow look, but for this, I just wanna cover those up. I'm gonna do some nose contouring just because Harley's is like a pointier nose than mine. So I'm just gonna go like on the sides with a bronzer. Underneath. I'm gonna go quite dramatic with this because I really want it to show up in videos and pictures. Don't forget to blend it out a little bit. There we are, a little bit pointier nose now. Now I'm gonna contour the rest of the face. I'll probably do like a high cheek contour here. My temples, I'm not gonna add any blush because I just wanna be as pale as I possibly can for Harley. I'm gonna take a fluffy round brush and use the same contouring color. I'm gonna go like high cheekbone here. And I'm gonna pull it down here to thin up my shape a little bit. Sorry, thin up my face shape a little bit. We don't want to go too dark because we don't want to lose our paleness. Okay, I think that's looking pretty good. I just think I need to blend a little bit more. And then we're going to do the temples. Harley definitely has a bright red eye and it's kind of messy, so don't worry about being perfect here. Just take any eyeshadow brush and a bright red. I'm using BH Cosmetics, and they have a ton of palettes that have a lot of bright colors, which is why I love them. So you're gonna wanna just like go over with the red most of the eye, but don't go all the way up to your eyebrow. Just keep it like a normal, just past the lid crease, like so. You're gonna wanna at least put 2 layers of the red shadow on, else it's just gonna look pink and we don't want that. I went ahead and put my blue contacts in before doing the lower part of the eyeshadow because it would have just messed it up. I'm gonna take an angled brush. It's quite fluffy actually. It's not too sharp for the under eye of the red. We're gonna go all the way under with the red, and then we're gonna make some little spikes of red downward. That's just like how her new look is. I like to pat it in place, that way the eyeshadow is less likely to fall on your foundation or the rest of your face. So I went all the way into the corner of the eye. Looks kind of crazy. It'll turn out good, I promise. You can take the same angled brush that you use for your dark eyebrow. Actually, it's gonna come in handy here because it already has dark on it. And we're gonna make those 4, I think there's 4. Let me check on that number. Yes, there's 4. There's a short, long, short, long. And we're gonna do the black angle brush with some red on it. We're gonna do short. And then we're gonna do long. And then we're gonna do short. We're gonna do long. Again, don't worry about being perfect. Like, Harley's very much a chaotic character. You don't have to be perfect or symmetrical or anything like that. So I put up a little bit more black on here, and we're just gonna go line the under eye with some black. Like so, and then just do a little bit in those lines that we made at the very top of the line. I'm gonna put some black in there. And then I'm gonna do this to the other side and also do one more layer of red. Okay, now that that's finished, I'm gonna use Glamnetic Deep Space Black Magnetic Eyeliner, and this will be so that we can apply our magnetic eyelashes later on. Harley actually doesn't have like a whole lot of eyeliner on her top, so I'm just gonna put the minimum amount that I need for the lashes to stay on my eye. And you don't need to let it dry all the way before you apply your lashes. Just, they suggest like 70 to 80%. The lashes that I got are cat eye styled. I'll put a link for them below so you can check them out. Once it's almost dry, you're just gonna wanna stick these on. I actually had to cut mine a little bit. Just make sure you don't throw the cut part away because it has the magnetic anchor that goes on underneath your eye to hold them in place. So don't throw them out if you cut them to the shape of your eye. I almost did. Okay, press these in place. And then I'm gonna attach the anchor to the bottom just to weigh this down and like attach it to my eyelashes. Take your mascara. I have Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and you're gonna blend in the lashes with your natural lashes. And I need to clean up this part a little bit because a little bit of eyeshadow and mascara got on it. So I'm gonna go do that. All right, now is my favorite part. The heart tattoo and the black lipstick. I really liked the black lipstick that I used for my Haze cosplay video. For that makeup look, it's called Juvia's Place or Juvia's Place. I'm not really sure, but yeah, I'll give you the link. So don't be afraid of it. If you mess it up, it's all right. Just take your time with it. I just do these sections first and then that kind of gives you a good outline. And then you'll just want to fix up the sides of the top lip and fix the bottom a little bit. Hi guys. To have like something in my teeth. Guys, it's like on my gums. Like, holy cow. Wow, it like didn't want to come off at all. Last but not least, Harley's heart. It's gonna go on her right side of her face, right below her eye right here. I'm gonna use a liquid eyeliner in black. I always use the Body Shop because it's cheap and it's really, really, really good. Ta-da! There we have it, Harley Quinn from Suicide Squad 2. Oh my god, I'm a crazy person! I literally just like let it dry and like hello, how are you? Oh wait, I can't do that. Ah. I really, really liked this one that I did for my Haze cosplay music video. Wow.